welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft smoky eye. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I love this palette. This is like my go-to for smoky eyes or even everyday eyeshadow. So sorry it's a little messy, but I love this palette. I know they've released a lot of palettes since then, but this has always been my go-to, especially for this look. So I've already done my eyebrows, so I filled them in. I've used the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And then I also use the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown also. So those are what I use to fill in my eyebrows. I also use my primer. I use the Smashbox Color Correcting Primer. This is one of my favorites. Now I'm gonna go ahead and outline them. I'll move on to my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base. And I'm gonna be using it in the shade Rumor 5. I love this base. They have it from 0 to number 9, I believe. And like 0 is literally white. I use that one. I have that one and I use it for my like more pigmented, vibrant colors. And then they have them like the skin tone ranges, and it ranges from like fair to very deep. And that's why I really like these. They have their website, and then they are also sold on Morphe if anyone's interested in using them. Put just a little bit of it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use brush. I'm going to be using this brush, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Go into the palette, and I'm going to start with my transitioning color. So with that, you want to use something a little bit lighter. Go ahead and go in with burnt orange. Ooh. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Cypress Umber, this one here, and I'm going to put that at my crease. You want to be very, very light, like you don't want to like press and drag it onto your eye. So the next part, I'm going to be going in with this shade here. This is like the black. Use a little bit, kind of tap off the excess, which is very, very important. And I'm going to go in with on the edge of my eye and just kind of deepening it up a little bit. After I go into that outer corner, I'm gonna kind of just go in with a little bit and kind of making my crease just a little bit darker, but not a lot because I don't want it to be too dark. And this just really helps to blend it all together. After we've done that, we're gonna go back in with the brush that we used to put our base, and we're gonna put this on our lid where we're gonna put our color. Next, we're gonna go in with the shade Bronze. Oops. And I'm gonna be using the brush that came with the palette, and this comes with like a little eyeshadow brush and then like a blending brush on the other side. I'm just gonna pat that right where I put that base. This base really does help. So now that we have done our eyeshadow, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our eyeliner. Me personally, I stopped doing a wing liner with most of my looks because I started using more dramatic lashes. So I felt like if I did a wing, you didn't really see it anyways. I just put it on my eyelid. So I use the NYX liquid matte eyeliner. This is my all-time favorite one, and it has like a little wand thing right there. I'm just gonna go like a little bit above my lash line, not too much. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara. The lashes I'm gonna be using today is from Lily Lashes, and they are the So Extra Mykonos. Lash glue I'm gonna be using is from Blinks and Winks Minx. Oh my god, that's so it's this guy. And this is supposed to be a waterproof, latex-free eyelash glue. There we go. So while my lashes are drying or getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. I used this in my last tutorial, and I really like this one, and it is in the shade Chai 26. My eyelashes are ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on. We have our lashes on, we're gonna go ahead and put on our concealer. I'm gonna go back in with the Juvia's Place concealer. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend it out. So next we're gonna go ahead and set our makeup, and I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty setting and baking powder in the shade Cinnamon Bun. We're gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe Dimension Effect Contour Stick in the shade Effect 19. ahead and we're gonna dust off all of our excess baking powder. Now that we have contoured our face, we're gonna go ahead and put on blush. If you see my last tutorial, you know that I do not actually own a blush. I use a liquid lipstick. This is the MAC lipstick in the Retro Matte High Drama. Put a little on the back of my hand, and then I use a stippling brush. Just kind of dip it in there and put it on. Done that, we're gonna go ahead and go and smoke out our under eye. I'm gonna go in with our palette again. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Cypress Umber and then this one. I'm gonna start off with the Cypress Umber. So next we're gonna go in with this shade, which is Glistening, and we're going to put this one in our inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in and put mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and use my highlighter, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and do our lips, and I'm gonna be using the NYX lip pencil in Espresso. I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Lingerie and Beauty Mark, and the Tarteist Lip Paint in Fortune. Guys, so that is my tutorial for today. My smoky eye, golden soft smoky eye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned some tips, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining. Bye.